If you just lost your POS machine, this is 3 things you should do. The first 5 minutes of losing your POS machine might determine whether you just lost this plastic or you lost all your funds. So first thing you should do is log into your MoneyPoint business account and sweep your funds. Sweep your funds immediately. Sweep your funds from your MoneyPoint business account immediately. Because now, if you don't sweep your funds, they might be able to get access to your PIN. If somebody that is very familiar to you, that's so they might be able to get access to your PIN and sweep your funds away. So first thing you should do, sweep your funds, get your funds out of that account to another bank account that you trust. And secondly, call your MoneyPoint BRM, because your MoneyPoint BRM has other more insights and what he can do from his own end on your stolen POS machine. So call your MoneyPoint BRM. And number 3, go immediately and get a police report, because that is the best thing that can happen to you if you just lost your POS machine. Because even if your MoneyPoint BRM should take any step on that particular issue, it will actually demand for a police report. So help yourself today. Get that police report and see what you can do immediately. Don't mention, because I know you will thank me.